How do you disable an app on the iPhone? Let's explain that and let me show you how it kind of works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely become part of the community so you never miss anything important. Well, there are some ways how you can stop the app from being functional. Obviously, you can go ahead and hold down on the app and then delete it fully, right? If you don't ever want to use it. But in order to just to disable it, it's best to use the screen time settings menu. So you're gonna go there to the settings, find screen time, and either set up the app limits or downtime. So the app limits, you can basically just make it a turn on, add a limit, choose a category of app or one particular application, and you'll be able to decide how long it's supposed to be used every single day. So you set a time period, and then obviously the app will be disabled. You can also set up a passcode which will lock it, especially useful if you want to set it up for someone else. So that's something to take a look at it too. But as I said, there is also the downtime, and a downtime is basically turning off most of the features of the iPhone with a few exceptions, right? So it just goes from the other way around. Basically, you decide which apps are allowed in the always allowed section, and when you turn on the downtime, everything else will be disabled. So that's like a different approach, but basically gets the same thing done. So I would really appreciate your feedback below. Let me know if you actually made it work on your device. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well.